Are you looking for the best water filters for your kitchen in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best water filters for your kitchen. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Aquasana Countertop Water Filter. This compact countertop filter removes up to 99% of 77 contaminants while leaving beneficial minerals behind. It has a maximum capacity of 64 ounces, so it may feel small depending on your consumption level. If your pitcher-style filter can't keep up with your water consumption, consider this countertop-style system from Aquasana. It forces water through the patented Clarium system, a combination of activated carbon, catalytic carbon, ion exchange, and mechanical filtration, to remove up to 99% of 77 different contaminants, including chlorine, pesticides, lead, and more. This filter also manages to retain beneficial minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which also helps the filtered water actually taste good. The machine itself is about the size of a compact Nespresso, similarly built with a 64-ounce water tank that you fill from your tap. The drop-in filter needs changing about every 6 months, but it's very easy to replace. If you have space on your countertop, this sleek machine looks great while delivering pure water at the touch of a button. Moving on at number 4, we have the Frislife under-sink water filter system. This filtration system takes just 3 minutes to install, and replacement filters are fairly inexpensive. The filtered water tastes average. It could use a mineral component to improve flavor. An under-sink water filtration system allows you to have filtered water at a higher flow rate than a faucet-mounted filter. This model from Frislife connects directly to the cold water line in just minutes, allowing water to pass through its 2-stage compound filter to eliminate lead, chlorine, heavy metals, and other compounds while also removing unpleasant odors and tastes. This filter has a nice flow rate of 2 gallons per minute and can handle 16,000 gallons before having to be replaced. The manufacturer notes that the filter can last as long as 2 years, depending on usage, but its filter should ideally be changed after 6 to 8 months for optimal performance. One of the best things about this filter is that the initial installation takes just about 3 minutes, and switching out the filter is even quicker than that. No need to be a pro to set this up. At number 3, we have the Pure Plus Faucet Mount Water Filtration System FM3700. This affordable filter is easy to install and filters out more than 70 impurities, including mercury and lead. The filter is not compatible with all faucet types, and its output is on the slow side. One of the simplest water filters to add to your home, this faucet mount filter doesn't even require any special tools to install. It snaps right on. Add it directly to your kitchen faucet so you can have filtered water available with the switch of the lever. This filter uses activated carbon and ion exchange to reduce heavy metals like lead and mercury, certain pesticides, and more. Not only that, it enhances the water's taste with natural minerals. This small but mighty filter can handle up to 100 gallons, on average, about 3 months of use, before the filter needs to be replaced. An indicator light will alert you when the filter needs changing. One downside is that the Pure filter's output is on the slow side, but it's fine for filling water bottles or a pitcher to leave in the fridge. At number 2, we have the big Berkey gravity-fed water filter. This popular water filter is straightforward to use and filters over 200 contaminants out of water, including parasites and other pathogenic bacteria. While Berkey has a huge following, it is not NSF certified. This freestanding filtration system is one of the few that can be considered a water purifier, thanks to its ability to remove over 200 contaminants as well as filter out 99.9% of pathogenic bacteria. That makes it ideal not only for household use but also for taking on the road or camping, where you may come across a more questionable water source than a kitchen tap. The signature black Berkey filters force water through a carbon composite containing high-grade coconut shell carbon combined with a proprietary blend. It utilizes microfiltration and ion exchange to remove heavy metals, bacteria, sediment, and more, making just about any water drinkable. The unit itself is made of sturdy stainless steel and is simple to use. Just fill up the 2.25-gallon upper chamber and let the filter do its work. Gravity helps feed the water into the lower chamber, and you can dispense your water from its spout. Since it doesn't require electricity or installation, it's a great system to rely on. And finally at number 1. We have the Apec Rose 50 Reverse Osmosis System. This under-sink filter is quiet and efficient, removing up to 99% of contaminants. You'll have to drill a hole to accommodate the additional tap required for the filtered water. This top-rated brand earned its reputation for a reason. It uses reverse osmosis to filter out up to 99% of contaminants, including fluoride, arsenic, lead, chlorine, and many more pollutants that not all filters address. The system is installed under the sink and comes with a separate tap for filtered water, so you're not using drinking water to wash hands or dishes. Filters for this system should be changed every 6 to 12 months, depending on how much water you use, but the replacements are fairly inexpensive, and changing them is simple. The system does require a more complicated installation, as you'll need to drill an extra hole in your sink for the additional tap. But once it's installed, it runs quietly and without disrupting your water pressure. To top it off, Apec donates free drinking water filtration systems to low-income or immunocompromised individuals through their free drinking water charity, something we can totally get behind. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.